This recording is a preview of the new GeoTrax feature, Waypoints. Waypoints allow you to set the route to the job site rather than always using Google's suggested route. GeoTrax accomplishes this by allowing you to set intermediate waypoints and use Google's Snap to Roads feature. To see how this feature will work, let's look at the GeoTrax order listing screen. As you can see, there have been some changes. The mapping icons are the same. Globes with a red X indicate the order hasn't been mapped. If you're using the GeoTrax auto mapping feature, then your orders are all mapped automatically. When using auto mapping, the error column alerts you that when Google automatically mapped the order, it was unable to pinpoint the exact address entered on the order. The field is red to let you know that it would be a good idea to look at the map to make sure that the directions being sent to the drivers are correct. You'll notice that we've added a column for the route type. An open route type means that the route has not been changed, that Google has determined the most efficient route to the job site. If the route type is planned, then at least a portion of the route has been changed on the Map Order Detail screen. When the Map Order Detail screen opens, you'll see that we've made a number of changes. The first, most obvious change is that text directions from the order's batch plant to the job site are displayed in the panel on the right. Also notice that new fields for route type, mapping source, and the last time the order was modified are now displayed. Let's change the location of the job site as well as the intended route. As before, you can click and drag the job site marker to a new location. Notice that the directions as well as the distance and travel times change when you release the icon. I'm going to zoom out and scroll the map so that we can see the entire route. The blue line on the map is the Google suggested route. To change it, put your mouse over the part of the route you want to change. When you see the white circle appear with a tooltip, click and drag it to create the waypoint, and you'll see Google's Snap to Roads feature recalculate the route to pass through the waypoint. When you release the mouse, you'll notice the new waypoint is represented by a little red ball icon. The directions, distance, and travel times will all change to reflect the new route. Now I'm going to clear the waypoints and start over. To clear the waypoints, click the Plot Address icon, and GeoTrax will replot the job site to the mapped address and clear the waypoints. Now let's change the route again by adding a few more waypoints. When you click Save Changes and return to the order listing screen, notice that the route type for the order is now planned. Now we are working on sending the planned route to the tab so that when drivers use turn-by-turn directions, Google sends them through the waypoints that you created for the order. Remember that orders and projects are maintained in your dispatch system, and it likely doesn't have the ability to save and keep special routes for projects. To allow you to copy a route from one order to another, we'll include a feature that displays planned routes to nearby jobs and let you copy the route to the one you're working on. This demonstration has been sent to you to solicit feedback. Please contact us if you have any questions or comments about this or any other GeoTrax feature. Thanks for your time.